Hello friends and hello my students. Welcome you all again to my YouTube channel. I am Yogaraj Joshi from Baroda High School in GC secondary section. Today's my subject is Sanskrit of Standard 9th English Medium, and today I will discuss the exercise of chapter number 7 Samhati Karya Sadhika. I have already discussed chapter number 7 in last 3 videos, part 1, 2 and 3. Today I will discuss the exercise of chapter number 7 Samhati Karya Sadhika. So I will read, explain and answer each and every questions one by one of this exercise. So let's start learning. Samhati Karya Sadhika, unity accomplishes the task. Exercise. Let's see the first question of this exercise. Here first question is Samuchitam Vikalpebhya Samuchitam Uttaram Chitva Likata. Choose the correct option from the following. Here, first question is Prabhat Kale Vayasa Kam Apashyat. Prabhat Kale Vayasa Kam Apashyat. Whom did the crow see in the morning? The answer is Vyadam Apashyat. Okay. Next is Gagane Kah Sa Parivarah Vyasarpat. Gagane Kah Sa Parivarah Vyasarpat. Who was flying in the sky with his family? The answer is Chitragriva. The king of doves was flying in the sky with his family. Okay. Next is Vipatkale Kim Karniyam. What should be done in difficulty? The answer is Dharyam Avalambanam. Okay. Holding courage. Dharyasya Avalambanam. Dharya Avalambanam. Next is Trunai Gunatva Apannehi Ke Badyante. How did, sorry, who is tied by the blades of grass? The answer is Mattadantina. Okay, Mattadantino. Naha is the plural form. This verb is plural form. So answer is Mattadantina. Next is Mushakarajena Kapotana Bandhanani Kena Chinnani. Mushakarajena Kapotana Bandhanani Kena Chinnani. So, how did Mushakaraj cut the knots of pigeons? The answer is sharp teeth. Okay, Dantehi with teeth. With sharp teeth. Okay, let's see the next question. सः तीक्ष्णैः दन्तैः जालं प्राययत्. The answer is छेतुं. सः तीक्ष्णैः दन्तैः जालं छेतुं प्रायतत. Next is vayam padasya ekvachanam kim. Here, what is the form of vayam? What is the singular form of vayam? The answer is aham. Aham, avam, vayam. Aham is I, avam is we both, and vayam is we all. Okay. So answer is aham. Asmat shabda. Aham, avam, vayam. Okay. Next is रेखांकित पदस्य समास नाम लिखता. व्याधेन तंडुलकणान् विकीर्य जालं विस्तरणम्. Here anan tandulkanan is the suffix of षष्ठी vibhakti plural. So here the answer is षष्ठी tatpurush samas. Next is sma prayogam kuruta. Okay, we were discussed about this rule in chapter discussion. So here small prayogam vibhagaha tatra yavasan is the past tense rule. Okay, but here we will join the present tense rule nivasanti. Nivasanti is the present tense rule. Okay, and we will add the small word. So then this sentence converted into past tense. Nivasanti sma. Vihagaha tatra nivasanti sma. Okay. Let's see the next question of this exercise. Question number 2. एक वाक्येन संस्कृत भाषया उत्तरत एकवाक्येन संस्कृत भाषया उत्तरत so give the answer in one sentence in Sanskrit language Your first question is Tandulkaran Avalokya Kapotaha Kidrushaha Abhavan Tandulkaran Avalokya Kapotaha Kidrushaha Abhavan What happens to pigeons when they see rice grains? The answer is Lubdhaha Abhavan. Lubdhaha means greedy. Okay. Having seen the rice grains, all the doves are tempted by the rice grains. Next is Baddhaha Kapotaha Kam Tiraskurvanti Sma. The answer is Yasya Vachanena Jale Sampatan Tam Kapotam Tiraskurvanti Sma. Next is Alpana Vasunam Sampati Kidrushi Bhavati. How is unity in small things? Alpa means Alpana Vasuna means small things. Sampati means unity. Kitrushi Bhavati. How is unity in small things? The answer is Sampati Karya Sadhika Bhavati. Alpana Vasuna Sampati Karya Sadhika Bhavati. Next is Jalena Saha Utpatitaha Vihagaha Kutra Gachanti. Where did the birds fly with net? So answer is हिरण्यक नामकस्य मूषकराज समीपं गच्छन्ति भूतले शङ्काभिः किम् आक्रान्तं भवति What is surrounded by doubts on the earth? The answer is भूतले दुर्लभं सर्वं अन्नं पानं च शङ्काभिः आक्रान्तं भवति भूतले शङ्काभिः किम् आक्रान्तं भवति On the earth, what is surrounded by doubts? The answer is Bhutale Durlabham Sarvam Annam Panam Ch Shankabhihi Akrantam Bhavati. Next is Rekhankita Padani Adhikritya Prashna Nirmanam Kuruta. Make a question sentence. Okay. Let's see. The first is Godavari Tire Vishala Shalmali Taruhu Asti. Godavari Tire Vishal Shalmali Taruhu Asti. And when we convert into question sentence, then we will use this bracket words. Okay. So here first is Vishalmali Taruhu Godavari Tire Asti is the normal sentence. Okay. When we will add this question word, then it will become question sentence. So here, where is the okay? Kutra Vishala Shalmali Taruhu Asti. The question sentence is Kutra Vishala Shalmali Taruhu. So where is the big Shalmali Taru? Next is Vyadhena Jhalam Vistaranam. What was spread by hunter? Vyadena kim vistaranam? Vyadena jalam vistaranam. Next is Vyadena tandulkaran vikirya jalam vistaranam. Okay, here the answer is Vyadena kim krutva jalam vistaranam. Next is Vayasah prabhat kale vyadam apashyat. Vyadah Vayasah prabhat kale कम पश्चात कदा पश्चात वायस प्रभात काले व्याधम अपश्यत so कदा when okay next is चित्रग्रीवस्य मित्र मूषकराजः अस्ति कस्य मित्र मूषकराजः अस्ति whose friend is मूषकराज the answer is चित्रग्रीवः the मूषकराज is friend of चित्रग्रीवः कस्य मित्र मूषकराजः अस्ति so here third question is completed now let's see the fourth question घटना क्रमानुसारं वाक्यानि लिखत घटना क्रमानुसारं वाक्यानि लिखत so हमें जो चैप्टर में जिस तरह से सेंटेंस आते हैं उसके मुताबिक हमें यहाँ पे लिखना है अनंतरम ते सर्वे जालेन बद्धाः अभवन् So your first sentence is वायसः कृतान्तम् इव अत्यन्तं व्याधम् अपश्यत्. A crow named Lagupatnak, he saw the hunter moving like second Yamraj. Vayasa krutantam iva atantam vyadam apashyat. मूषकराजेन स्वकीयैः तीक्ष्णैः दन्तैः सर्वेषां बन्धनानि छिन्नानि. So next can is वृद्धानां वचनम् आपत्काले ग्राह्यम्. First is vayasa कृतान्तं इव अटन्तं अपश्यत्. Next is वृद्धानां वचनम् आपत्काले ग्राह्यम् एव. Okay, words of old people should be accepted in difficulty. Let's see the third sentence by chapter. अनन्तरं ते सर्वे जालेन बद्धाः अभवन्. Okay, अनन्तरं ते जालेन बद्धाः अभवन्. Then they all were tempted by the net. Next is तदत्र धैर्यम् अवलम्ब्य इदानीम् एवं क्रियताम्. So fourth sentence is तदत्र धैर्यम् अवलम्ब्य इदानीम् एव क्रियताम्. Okay, then holding courage, let this be done. Next is इति विचिन्त्य कपोताः सर्वे जालमादाय उत्पतिताः. Thinking this, all the doves flew with net. And first, last is मूषकराजेन स्वकीयैः तीक्ष्णैः दन्तैः सर्वैः मूषकराजेन तीक्ष्णैः दन्तैः सर्वैः बन्धनानि छिन्नानि. The king of mice cut all the knots by its sharp teeth. Okay, let's see the question number 5. मातृभाषायाम् उत्तराणि लिखत. Not in मातृभाषायाम्, in आंग्ल भाषायाम्. In आंग्ल भाषायाम्. Okay, let's see the first question. What did the crow think on seeing the hunter? The answer is a crow named Lagupatana was one of them. Now, once in the morning, that crow saw a hunter moving like second Yamraj. Having seen him, he thought, today in the morning, a sight of bad things took place. I don't know what this undesirable thing will show. Okay, let's see the next question of this exercise. Question number 2. What did Chitragriva say to pigeons tempted by rice grains? Okay. Chitragriva said to pigeons tempted by the rice grains that how are the rice grains here in a deserted forest like this? Think about it. I don't find it good. The greed of rice grains may cause something bad to us. So we should not do anything without thinking. Okay, let's see the third question. What was the reaction of the arrogant pigeon to the words of the old? The proud pigeon reacted about the words of elders that at the time of difficulty the advice of the elders should be followed and accepted, but we should not engage in any activity thinking like this. The food is rare and is surrounded with doubts everywhere. We should also think what and how to do and how to live. Let's see the last question of question number 5. How did pigeons free themselves from the net? So answer is seeing the hunter returning, the pigeons followed Chitragriva's advice and went to the king of mice. The friend of Chitragriva, the king of mice, cut all the knots with its sharp teeth, and this is how the pigeons got free from the net. Okay, so last question of this exercise. मातृभाषायाम् अनुवादं कुरुत. Matrubhashayam Anuvadam Kuruda. Translate in English. Okay, not in Matrubhashayam. Translate in English sentence. Your first sentence is Vividepya Deshebhya Samagataha Vihagaha Tatra Ratro Nivasanti. The answer is many birds from different countries arrive and stayed there at night. Okay. Next question is Chitragriva Nama Kapotrajah Parivarena Sah Yat Sarpa. The king of pigeons named Chitragriva was flying in the sky with his family. Next is Tasya Tadvachanam Shrutva Sarve Kapotaha Tatra Jale Upavishan. The answer is having listened the words of his, all the doves sat down there in the net. Fourth question व्याधः तान् जालापहारकान् अवलोक्य पश्चात् धावति. The answer is having seen those carrying away the net, hunter run after them. तीक्ष्णैः दन्तैः. Last question of this question. Question number 6. Fifth number. तीक्ष्णैः दन्तैः. So here is mistake. तीक्ष्णैः दन्तैः बन्धनानि चिह्नानि. The answer is cut all the notes by its sharp teeth. Okay, so here our exercise and chapter number 7 is completed. And so in next video we will discuss the chapter number 8. So thank you students.